Look at this. With Higgsfield Popcorn, you can generate complete stories from just an image and a prompt and maintain object, character, and style consistency across 1 to 8 shots. This is hyper-realistic Higgsfield soul-like visuals. This is AI entering Hollywood. Think of it as your storyboard generator, image editor, and scene director, all in one. It delivers better character and setting consistency than both Nano Banana and SeaDream, while introducing a new multi-image pipeline, letting you create cohesive visual stories or campaigns in a single run. Direct the whole story from a single prompt, from a dramatic epic to a heartfelt quest. It also performs perfect photo edits and seamless background swaps. It's consistent, cinematic, and incredibly powerful. That's right, this is the new gold standard for image editing and multi-frame storytelling. This tool is for every creator who has ever struggled with inconsistent AI characters or wanted to direct their vision precisely. It's your storyboard generator, image editor, and scene director, all in one. Pretty amazing, right? That entire sequence you just watched, every single shot, every consistent face and style was made from one image. No Photoshop layers, no complicated prompts, no Nano Banana headaches, just one image and one prompt. Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mavumbi from Easy Tutorials AI, and today I'm about to show you something truly next level. We're diving into the world of Higgsfield Popcorn, a brand new AI tool that's taking creativity to a whole new dimension. Whether you're a content creator, storyteller, or just love experimenting with AI visuals, this video is going to change the way you create forever. So make sure you stay with me till the very end, because I promise, once you see what this tool can do, you'll never look at content creation the same way again. All right, let's jump right in. What makes Higgsfield Popcorn special is how it understands context. You upload one image, and it doesn't just copy it, it learns the face, the style, the vibe, then creates multiple scenes that look like they came from the same photo shoot or movie. It's like having an AI director who knows exactly what you want. And unlike tools like Nano Banana or SeaDream, Popcorn keeps the quality and consistency perfect across every frame. You can even switch between auto mode for full AI generation and manual mode for full creative control. Now, let's head to the Higgsfield Popcorn site. Link in the description, click the link in the description below, and sign up with your email. Once you're in, you'll see this clean interface.
Okay, so once you sign up with the link I give down below this description, you get to this page here. And once you're here, in this video, we want to go to a popcorn here. So click here, popcorn. We're going to create our storyboard, and this will pop up here. So here you go manual or you go auto. So here we want this. I'm going to show you this one first. So here, upload the image you want to use for your storyboard. So in this video, I got these two story here. I upload this one and this one. I want these two characters to be consistent in my story. Okay, so once you finish here, now we come here. I already got a prompt from ChatGPT for this story. So I already create a prompt with them. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy a prompt. I'm going to paste here. Okay, so this is a prompt for this for my story, and I'm going to choose here. I want 6 results for this one. For output image, I want 6. Okay, because I already put 6 scene for this story. And here you can choose your aspect ratio. It depends what you want. 9:16 square, 16 by 9. But in this video, I want to show you 16 by 9. Okay, so you click this one, you select this one. Once you finish this one, you come here, you click generate. Once you click generate, it's going to start to generate our story. Let me show you. Once you click generate like this, it's going to start to create our storyboard for us. Okay, so I'm going to show you. This is how it look like now.
Our storyboard is ready. Let me walk you through the powerful story it helped me create. It starts here, in scene 1. We meet our main character, a beautiful Nigerian woman at her luxury wedding. But look closely. Her husband is significantly older. The AI instantly established a core theme, a marriage of convenience, or perhaps for security. Scene 2 says it all. The golden mansion feels like a gilded cage. She has all the wealth, but she's utterly isolated and sad. The tool perfectly captured the emotion of loneliness. Then, in scene 3, we see the daily reality of her life. She's more of a caretaker than a wife. This scene builds the tension and explains the state of their relationship. But then, a glimpse of her true self. Scene 4, in a Lagos cafe. Here, with her friends, she's vibrant and alive. This contrast is crucial, and the AI nailed the shift in mood and setting. Which leads to scene 5, the turning point, a secret meeting in the garden at sunset. The lighting, the intimacy, the AI creates a visually romantic and forbidden atmosphere, introducing hope and a new conflict. And finally, scene 6, the consequence, her husband's funeral, the black lace, the tears. Is she crying from grief, guilt, or freedom? The ambiguity is brilliant. This is a complete cinematic arc. This is the power of Higgsfield Popcorn AI. It's not just making random images. It's understanding character, emotion, and narrative flow. I went from a simple idea to a full visual storyboard in minutes. This tool has an incredible feature where you can fuse 2 images together. Just upload a primary photo and a secondary one, give a prompt, and it will blend them into a single, seamless result. Now, watch the full story I created directly from my storyboard. This is the power of turning your vision into a visual storyboard, and then into a final, polished film.
They said she was the luckiest woman in Lagos. A grand wedding, a husband of wealth, a future paved with gold. But behind that radiant smile was a heart that already felt trapped. Because sometimes luxury can be the most beautiful prison of all. Every morning, she woke to silence. A mansion filled with gold and marble, but not a drop of warmth. She had everything money could buy, except happiness.
She became his caretaker, his nurse, his shadow. Her youth traded for duty. Each pill she placed in his hand felt like another dream slipping away. Once she was laughter. Once she was free, dancing in the streets of Lagos, dreaming of art, of love, of life. But those dreams now lived only in her memories. And then one evening, temptation came. A kind voice, a look that lingered too long. For the first time in years, her heart remembered how to beat. But secrets never stay hidden for long. He found out. And in that moment, between anger and forgiveness, she realized the price of her choices. When he was gone, the mansion felt emptier than ever. She cried not just for him, but for the years she could never get back.
And honestly, you can do so much more with this tool. What I've shown you is just a glimpse of its potential. Now it's your turn. To start creating your own incredible stories, just click the link in the description below. It's time to expand your imagination and see what you can build. A huge thank you to the team at Higgsfield AI for providing me with early access to this amazing technology. I had an absolute blast creating this video for you all. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Now go create something amazing. I'll see you in the next tutorial.